Welcome to Home Sweet Home Cooking. Today's quick tip is going to be on bacon. Bacon can be done in the oven quickly and simply and not get grease splattered all over your kitchen. I'm using thick cut bacon because that's my choice. I'm a Right brand bacon boy. All you're going to do is take a cookie sheet and we're lining it with parchment paper to keep it from getting all the grease stuck on it. And you're just going to lay the strips out. I've got mine on a cooling rack above it. It doesn't have to be, but it helps for cleanup later. The rack helps keep the bacon get crisp as well, because you're not sitting in the grease. So I'm gonna get these laid out, get a close-up of it, and get it in the oven. The oven is preheating to 355 degrees. Now I've got a recipe that calls for some bacon to be cooked and crumbled. So what I do is I'll bake the bacon off on here, I'll chop it up. But I got a few extra strips of bacon on there, and make me a little bit of snacking bacon. Take a little bit of brown sugar, and if you've never tried this before, try it. A little bit of brown sugar on the bacon, and that bakes. It's going to almost make a candied bacon. If you want to put a little bit of chopped pecans on top of there, even better. Once you put the pecans and brown sugar on there, you can actually chop that up and put it on ice cream, and it is so good. So we're going to get this in the oven at 350. I'm going to start at 15 minutes and start checking it. I want the outsides nice and crisp. The insides are still going to be a little bit on the chewy side. I don't want to say raw because it's not raw. You know what I mean? You got chewy bacon and crisp bacon. So it's going to go in the oven and start checking on it for 15 minutes, and then probably every 2 or 3 or 4 minutes after that. Alright, out of the oven, just going to pat some of the grease off the top. And as far as the grease goes, save it, unless you put brown sugar in it, but save the grease, pour it off in a jar, put it next to your stove. You can use that for flavorings on other recipes. But I've got it just a little bit crispy around the edge here. Still has some give to the middle, but it is cooked, and that's going to get chopped up to go in this other recipe. As far as the brown sugar covered one, it's going to be hot. Mom, come on in.
I'm coming.
Very careful, it is very hot. You can give a little nibble on that. Thumbs up? Yeah. Great
Both thumbs.
Great little treat. So that's quick and easy. Bacon in the oven. No mess, no fuss. Get it done and get it going. Thanks for watching.